Android features. Today's video will be on features of Android that we barely know that might be helpful to you if you make it count in your day-to-day life. Guest mode can help you from difficult situation, saving your data from others who try to use your phone on your permission. You can also have multiple users smart lock. It's a feature that locks your phone when a device is set out of a specific location that you set as per your preferences and stays unlocked to the location that is familiar to the device which is set by the user. As we all are lazy, we are at some point of time in life, especially when the article is so big and you feel like not reading. I'm sure that must have happened in your life at least once. If you want to activate this feature, you can go to your settings, then accessibility. But these only work for English language. If your smartphone got stolen, you can get your backup back until and unless it is saved on cloud. Also, you can download the data, erase the data, or lock the smartphone remotely. Dark background when phone is on but not in use saves battery. EVA facial mouse could make your work more easier if you don't want to touch your smartphone screen, just control with your facial movement. Those who are users of Android 10 also has the features of dirty USB port will notify you the contamination of your USB port. Any Android user has the feature of changing font, icon, color, or transition in developer option. If you have missed notification and want to know what was it, then don't you worry. I got something big feature that Android has, but very least people knows. This feature is called as notification log. If you are an Android 11 user and still find an app for screen recording, let me tell you got this inbuilt feature in your Android on your widgets. Every smartphone has its specific absorption rate or SAR to detect the radiation of a specific smartphone. To check for SAR value, dial asterisk #07 USSD code in your mobile phone. 1.6 watts per kilogram is the threshold value for the radiation level. If SAR value is less than 1.6 watts per kilogram, it is okay to use that smartphone. If SAR value exceeds this threshold limit, consider take necessary steps to avoid radiation effects. You can also check the dedicated video on how to find SAR value by clicking on the I button above. That's it for the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching WOKKAY. Also, if you find this video helpful, please like the video, also share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future update and notification. God bless you.